Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today joining me is the most important part of our business, our beloved customer, and I'm gonna introduce her. Her name is Emily. Good morning, Emily.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Good. Welcome to social media.
Thank you.
Congratulations on the work done today. I heard it's gonna be wrapping up today.
Yes, so wrapping everything up today. We're going to be done with our add-on.
Okay, and how are you liking it so far?
So far, I'm loving it. Giving
Okay.
us more space and a home office. It's going to be great.
Okay, great. So can you show us a little bit of the exterior before we go inside, Emily?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So this was used to be our patio, so we added on
Okay.
this building here.
And I see the color matched it very well.
They did a phenomenal job matching the color to our existing color of our house. I love the blue-gray, so they
Okay.
were able to match it perfectly.
Okay, so can we work our way inside now?
Absolutely.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
the
Thank you.
doors here.
So these are brand new doors and windows
Brand
too.
new doors and windows, new sconces.
Okay,
Come on in.
thank you. Hi guys.
Hi, this is the amazing crew wrapping up my doors.
Okay.
And this is gonna be our new living room and our studio for my daughter, extended living room and everything.
Okay, and it looks like you extended it from maybe the kitchen over here, right?
Yes, so this was our original living room and dining room, and we were able to extend it even more.
Nice. And can I ask you how you found Horizon Construction and why you chose them out of everybody?
So we looked at a bunch of people, but I actually talked to some of my neighbors, and Horizon worked with one of our neighbors on their bathroom remodel, and they had all raving glorious things to say about them.
Okay.
And so we decided to go with them and talk to Mark, and it was great.
Got it. So they've been doing a phenomenal job.
Yes.
Did you have any hiccups throughout the process? Any setbacks?
The hiccups in the process were actually with the city and paperwork, but that was it.
I heard it usually takes longer to do the paperwork and the permits than the actual building itself, correct?
Yes, the building, the plans, getting the city approvals, that took longer than the actual building.
Okay.
When the guys were here, when the crew was here working, they did a great job getting everything demoed, built, and that was great.
Okay. And is this your first home in Buena Park?
It is. This is my husband and I's first home that we bought.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, 10 years ago.
10 years
now.
ago?
Yeah.
Okay. So I can imagine back then you bought it for cheap. So now it's
Yes.
probably approaching 900, almost a million,
Almost.
almost. And especially with this renovation, it's going to bring the price up, right?
Especially with this renovation, we're able to add on about 400 square feet to the house, which is a huge lift for the property value.
Okay. And another question for the audience is why did you choose to extend the house opposed to maybe like an ADU or building up? Why did you go with this setup?
We decided to go with this setup because we liked being able to have it open. I've got 2 small kids.
Okay.
This would be able to kind of see them, see the whole area, and work with it that way. I'm lucky enough to work from home, so we have a little home office I was able to build. And we decided to go out instead of up because I don't want to do stairs.
Correct. And it feels bigger when it's low and wide.
Exactly, it definitely feels bigger.
Okay. And it looks like you have a nice backyard, so you're not claustrophobic.
No, still have a good sized yard, still was able to keep that, so plenty of room for the kids to run around and play, backyard barbecues, everything.
Okay. And how was it working with Mark and the crew? Did you design this or they did it? It was a collaboration?
It was kind of a collaboration. We were able to kind of give Mark and his team an idea of what he wanted,
Okay.
and they came back with the plans, and it turned out better than what our ideas for it.
So they brought it to life with their expertise.
Absolutely,
Okay.
yes.
And as far as the paint choice, did you have any feedback in it or?
The pictures was me.
Okay.
I love doing colors on walls, so I like, as you can see the blues in the house. I've got a purple office going to be happening.
Okay,
here.
can we go over there?
Yeah.
It's very pastel-y, very bright and vibrant.
Yes.
So it brings charm to the house.
Absolutely.
Okay,
I
so
love
this-
the bold wall colors.
Gotcha. And the white trim makes it
With the
pop.
white trim,
It
yes.
contrasts very well. So Emily's gonna walk us into, so this is gonna be like a little office for you?
This is going to be an office and computer rooms for while I'm working, and then for when I'm not working, computers in here for my kids.
Okay.
Closet, and then I'm excited about a little storage room to keep all of the kids' excess toys.
Gotcha. Okay. So thank you for doing this video with us. The homeowner, like I said, guys, in the beginning of the video, they're the most important part of a business because without them, we wouldn't even exist. And we thank you, Emily, for your time. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay, we'll see you guys. Bye.